Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the environment. Check the app version and make sure the OS supports native customization. Update now if needed. Once done, enable developer or advanced settings inside the app so hidden options appear. Make sure to backup data or create a restore point before changing anything. This preserves your configuration and prevents loss. These steps let you act immediately and safely, so you can modify behavior without relying on external shortcuts or automations. Next, dive into the app's preference panes and locate appearance, behavior, and permission controls. These are where core changes happen. You'll adjust defaults, edit templates or macros provided by the app, and configure built-in automation sequences. Do this step by step to observe incremental effects. Once you edit a setting, test it immediately and use profiles or secondary accounts to isolate your custom rules so they don't impact production data. This methodical approach avoids surprises and reveals how settings interact. To finish, apply your changes, restart the app, and verify the behavior across key workflows. That confirms the customization works end-to-end. Make a short documentation note and export any profiles or configuration files so you can reuse or share the setup later. If something breaks, first revert using your backup or restore point. If that fails, reset targeted preferences rather than a full reinstall. One key troubleshooting tip: clear caches and restart before deeper interventions. It often resolves residual.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.